been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Well, it's that time of the month again where I'm going to do another hair tutorial. As you can see, my hair needs a redo. It's got a lot of grey hairs happening, which I'm not happy about. So today I thought I would test out this new product by Revlon called Salon Color. It's called Salon Color Light Ash Brown 6A. I'll just show you the package. So that's what I'll be using to dye my hair. And in this package, it's quite good actually. I need my glasses because I cannot read this for the life of me. So we've got the color booster. It comes with the color booster, the conditioner. I've got the heater going on in the back. Oh, okay. There's a lot of packaging to this particular product, which I'm not too thrilled about. Okay, so it says to start with dry unwashed hair, cover my shoulders, apply petroleum jelly, blah blah blah, remove the cap for the developer. Okay, the color booster you don't use until 3 weeks after you've dyed your hair. So for now, all I'm going to do is dye, condition, and after week 3 to 6 you can do the color booster, which comes with another set of gloves. Okay, so we can leave the color booster to the sun, put on the gloves, and they come in, it's a bit, what's the word I'm looking for? Dr. Strangelove or something with these gloves, black gloves, interesting. Okay, so the color, which I'm going to add to the developer. All of these take about half an hour to sit in the hair, but it's a new product, so I'm actually quite interested to see how this works out. I'll show you obviously the end result when it's all said and done. See, I'm in the bathroom, and even though it's quite warm outside, in this bathroom, because it's surrounded by tiles, it's quite cold. So I've got the heater on, so my apologies if you hear some background noise, it'll be the heater. You see the greys? I've got so much grey hair happening, I can't stand it. What you need to do is obviously unwashed hair, comb it out, and then basically just apply the colour. I'm going to be applying it all over, probably not down to the tips of my hair, but certainly to the top. The developer with the colourant in the bottle, and now I'm just going to apply all over my hair, especially the roots. I've got an event coming up next week, so I figured I'd do this now rather than wait for next week. So I'm going to be very, very busy. All over. And then I'm going to just massage it in. I'd be interested to hear your comments below with the final result. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? There's always too much product for my hair because my hair's very thin. Get some paper towel and just get the excess off my ear and forehead. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this on my head for 30 minutes and then take a shower, and then you'll be able to see what it looks like. Okay. Around and around and around she goes. What a look. Specifically formulated for your shade to provide rich, radiant colour just like day one. That's that's what the box is. Let this sit now for half an hour, and then once it's done, I'm going to take a shower and then show you the outcome. So stay tuned. Well, this is the finished product, everybody. I have naturally gone a little bit darker, but at least all the roots have been covered, so there's no grey hairs any longer. Yes, it is a bit dark, but I do like it, and there's always the potential to go with a few blonde highlights. So I hope you liked this new look. I'm now going to put my hair up in a ponytail, in a bun, because I'm off to the gym. And for all of you non-believers, yes, it is me. This is my look in my profile in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm not a man. It is Nelly Zupani or Naila Zupani. So on that note, if you enjoyed watching me dye my hair with this new look, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Mustache, gotta do a big workout. I'll see you later. Bye for now.